Hi guys, we're in, where are we? Terrace. We're in Terrace. Wait, try that again. Hi guys, we're in Terrace with Federico, and we're looking at 2 apartments that can be bought together or separately, around 200,000 or 100,000 for each. It's in a charming Borgo. There's tons of hiking around here, lots of biking. So if you like to hike, this is your place. It's great. Go inside. This is the kitchen. Interesting. I'm looking at this as maybe not a forever home, maybe a vacation home. It's obviously stone forward would be what I would say, but it has a very nice wooden floor. This floor is beautiful. I like this floor. I mean, personally, I would stucco a few of the walls to make them white. It's a little bit dark in here, but these people like stone. So if you like stone, this is for you. Oh, this is very nice. This is beautiful. So it's got a kitchen, 2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom, terrace.
A terrace. Oh, it's beautiful. The terrace is beautiful. Let's go out here. Oh, this is terrific. This is great. I mean, this is like a hot tub terrace to me. Put a hot tub here.
Particolare.
That would be cool though. Well, a hot tub would be nice here in the wintertime. I think it would be really nice to go for a hike, have a glass of wine, sit in your hot tub. No one really sees as one neighbor, but you know, I mean, you put your bathing suit on. What can I say? Keep it PG and it's good. This is cool. I like it. I like it. And it is private, which is very nice.
Is possibile second lavatrice.
Okay.
C'è bagno, possibile anche un altro bagno.
Okay, so you could do two bathrooms if you wanted to. For me, I would make this like a laundry room, storage room area because you always need storage.
It's a nice.
And it's a very nice big bathroom. I have no qualms about this bathroom. I think it's fab. Yeah, this is great.
Window, okay.
He always checks the windows to make sure they're new. It's very fun. No rotten windows for you. And lots of luce. All right, this is very cute. I like it. I give this good score.
Questo è good.
I think for a vacation, it's fantastic.
Esatto, house for holiday, for vacation.
I think it's fabulous.
Or for investment, for rent.
Exactly. I think it's wonderful. Yeah, I like it. Easy Airbnb. Like no-brainer Airbnb for sure. Next, where's the other one? I don't know why I came up here with him because I don't even know if the key is going to work. You know, it's him. No problem.
Moment? No problem.
This is a little dangerous to me. I always wonder why they can't just do a pad here and then do straight stairs down. I think you could do this. Honestly, it wouldn't cost a lot, stonework is, but this is dangerous to me for sure. I mean, you know, one drunk guest and, you know, they're dead. Oh, this is really cute. I love it. This is great. So this has more of the stucco walls and right away it feels better. This is a great apartment as well.
Terrace forse è più bella.
So the terrace has a better view up here, of course. Hot tub downstairs, party upstairs. This is great. I mean, look at this view. Of course, you could see the Apennine Mountains over there.
I vigneti, l'oliveto.
Yeah, that's so nice. Oh, the olive grove. This view is spectacular. Fantastic. Love it. Love it. Love it. Fantastic. So if you're only going to buy one apartment, I think I'd buy this one. Yeah. And then it's laid out very much the same. They've got the bedroom here. Looks like it's the exact same size.
Esatto.
This bedroom, I think on this side, I think it's the same. Bathroom's the same. Yeah, it's exactly the same. So it's the mirror image of the one below us. This is up a lot higher. The couch is a little large for the space, but okay.
Is there connecting the 2 internally, or would it have to be?
Oh, that's a really good question.
Sì, è possibile connetterli, però...
Yeah. You know, I never listened to him. I think that we could connect the two for sure. I don't know that you would want to necessarily. For me, it's like we would be up here and the kids would be downstairs, or our guests would be downstairs and we would be up here. You know, the nice thing about this is it's not very big, it's small, and it's easy to maintain. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It's in a beautiful, beautiful borgo. I think it's charming. Skiing? Qua?
Ski?
Yeah, quanti minuti? Un'ora?
No, 40 minutes.
Okay, so 40 minutes if you're driving with Carolini.
No,
And 55 minutes if you're driving with
Annette,
me.
50 minutes. No problem, 50 minutes.
All right. Yeah, so you can go skiing, which is a thing. And this is a cute little ski bunny chalet situation. I love it. I like it. So I think the apartments for me are a yes. I think the pricing is fantastic. So thank you for bringing us, and
Thank you, Annette.
thank you for joining us. If you got this far, please remember to like and subscribe, because Federico and I need those subscribers, right? We do. And yeah, thank you. How many?
Thank you.
Yeah, I think 4 thumbs up.
Si.
I think so, yeah. You might want to watch a future video where we go through the big apartment downstairs. It may have held a big surprise for us. Okay, we'll see you next time. A bird just flew behind you.
Yes.
And we both were like, oh.